So, if a bank's looking to implement ServiceNow financial services operations, do they have to replace their current or existing CRM in order to use FSO?
Absolutely not. And I think that this is actually a common misconception. ServiceNow ties to all platforms. So being able to leverage what you have, whether it's a industry-leading CRM tool that exists out there, or if it's an internal self-built system, one of the things that we do at NewRocket is making sure that we're analyzing those technology stacks and making sure that we're doing the right elimination, the right connection, having those conversations with you to make sure that you're getting value out of ServiceNow as quickly as possible.